Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lux, aka Ohima, back with another video. And today we've got a little glam going on, okay? So I done did my hair once again, and I am coming on here to show you how to do the same. It's giving curls for the girls. Ooh. I'm loving this look. Like, crochet is everything, but I'm not even finna sit here and talk about all of that, okay? Because I'm just gonna get right into the video, because I know you're here because you want a tutorial, not a conversation. But if you do want a conversation, you can click in the description box below, where I am doing this whole makeup look and talking to y'all about a few things. So click in the description box below for the makeup look and keep watching for the hair, okay? All right, let's get into it. Bye.
Okay, so for this style, I'll be using the Jumbo Rod Curl. Make sure you get this specific brand because one pack is good enough for a full head. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon, but I got mine from my Bestie's Beauty Supply here in Atlanta, and it only cost me $15. You're gonna need some combs for parts and detangling, of course, and don't forget your crochet needle. So for my braiding pattern, I am doing a free part pattern. So that's why I'm starting with the middle, because I'm going to start with a middle part and eventually I'm going to want to flip over to a side part, blase. So in order for that to happen, you have to do a straight back cornrow braiding style. Just like I'm doing, girl, just like I'm doing. And also, girl, if you're gonna be doing your hair, I recommend getting you like 75 mirrors. Cause right now your girl is struggling. Like, I got one mirror in front of me and I keep looking over to the phone because that's also one of my mirrors to make sure that I'm getting things done right. And I also recommend to always moisturize your hair during this part of the braid. Basically, you know, this process right here, the braiding pattern process. I find it to be the best time to moisturize your hair. You know, feed your hair a little bit, because, you know, us black girls, we've got to put a little liquid in there, you know. And also, when it comes to your braiding pattern, I always recommend adding a little extension while doing your cornrows. Your girl kind of forgot about the extension. I had, you know, this hairstyle, I had to get it done real quick because I had to go somewhere. But usually if you add extension to your braids, your cornrows, it will last a little longer and it will have a better grip of the crochet, because when it's just your natural hair, the minute you put the crochet in there, it loosens up. So yeah, girl, add a little hair when you do your braiding pattern. And yeah, girl, that is all you gotta do. Just cornrow your hair straight back till you're done. And also I have a tuck-in method because you know, it could get a little bulky back there with the little hanging braids. So just pay attention to what I'm about to do. I'm pretty sure, you know, if you don't know about this, I'm introducing you, but most braiders know about this method. So in order to keep it less bulky, I usually just get the, like I'm doing, take that braid and merge it right into that cornrow that I'm doing, and I just repeat the process over and over again. And I'm going to show you guys it over and over again because I want you to get it, okay? And this keeps you from having a bulky back, you know, like the bulky, you know what I'm talking about, right? Like, you know, usually it'll be bulky back here because of all that hair and stuff. So yeah, this helps. And oops, excuse the little juices. I told you I was feeding my hair, so let it leak, baby, let it leak. No, but for real, I'm just gonna shut up for right now so you guys can get into what exactly I am doing at the moment. now that we're here at the end of this braiding pattern, you guys kind of see what I was trying to talk about earlier. The tuck-in method does help with a flat look. You know, you don't want that little bump. You know, like my black girls understand. They know what bump I'm talking about. When it's not tucked in right back there, it just be looking somehow, like somehow. But now let's get into the fun part, the crochet part. So basically just pay close attention to what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory and basic. It's not hard, but I usually knot my hair about 2 to 3 times just to secure it. Some people do it once, but I find it to be not secure because sometimes it'll fall off or it'll come off. So as you're crocheting, you know, just put in the crochet, hook the hair to the crochet, and then pull it through. And once you pull it through, then you knot it about 2 to 3 times to make sure it's secure. And you just keep repeating the process over and over and over and over and over and over again until it's done. Now I'm gonna give a little quick disclaimer. When it comes to the back of your head, I usually just use the full string. I don't really know how to explain it. I don't separate it, basically is what I mean. I don't separate my strings in the back, but the more I get closer to the front, I take thinner and thinner pieces, if you kind of know what I mean. But just keep watching. You'll see, like towards the end, you'll see that when I get to the front, the hair that I'm, you know, crocheting in gets thinner and thinner because you don't want that bulky look in the front. You see how the knot is really big in the back? You don't want that in the front. So yes, when you get to the front, just take your hair thinner, you know, thinner piece. Freak, I cannot speak English. Y'all, this English is gonna kill me, okay? Anyways, but you guys see what I'm talking about. You see towards the top of my head how, you know, the pieces that I'm adding in are thinner than the ones I was using in the back to kind of just keep it as, you know, not keep it, to kind of just make it as natural as possible. Now, quick disclaimer, girl, quick disclaimer. That pack of hair, you're only gonna need one, okay? Because y'all see, look at this. It was just too much for me. And I guess it was a little too long for my liking. So, as you can see, I went ahead and did a little snip to kind of get, you know, the style that I was going for. And that's basically pretty much it. From here on out, you just style it to how you want it, and you in there, sis. You in your bag. And here you go, sis. Yes, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Period. Point blank. Now, look at this. Do this for me. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you like this video, just let me know. And I'ma see y'all on my next video. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.